It's cold. Maybe. Why not one of these? Yeah, they can definitely fit.
Please start checking procedures.
What's Suica?
Another card.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Then we can stay here a bit longer to make it worth it.
Please. No?
Heat tech or no?
No, I'm good.
Don't look like good session. What makes a shoe good for session?
Light.
Light? That's it?
Light? Yeah, pretty much it.
Light and what?
Light and pretty much it.
Oh.
Solar glide. Oh boy.
Just to see what it's like?
Sure, but can we try this one? Well, are you having fun yet?
Wait! Oh no, what do I do? Wait! It didn't go all the way! It didn't go all the way! Did I let go too fast?
Yeah. I feel okay, so I suppose it doesn't matter that much. This is the hotel room right now. And as we mentioned, this is not good just because everything smells like smoke. Except for the bathroom. Oh yeah, and not only is it a smoking room, we can't open the window. I think the elevator is bigger. I would have taken a smaller elevator with no smoking room.
You got it? Okay.
That's $10. Am I supposed to add anything to this, or is that just as itself? Nope. I wouldn't pay $5 for one, but well, I'm experienced now. Like no mayonnaise or whatever they put into the ones in Canada.
Just fish?
Yeah, it's just fish.
I don't know how to eat fish.
Well, I don't know how to eat it either.
No, I think that is the thing you go up to. Do you see any people? Maybe it's closed. Everyone.
seen the real thing.
Do I know where we're walking?
Souvenirs everywhere. It's like when you go to one of those states, like national parks, and then there's a whole bunch of souvenirs, but it all says made in China, and you're like, I'm from there.
Walking tours. Should we get your mom a pair of chopsticks?
Sure.
Look, right there.
Oh boy. Like if it's a small one, I'm happy. If it's a big one, then we have a problem.
But what if we get the big one? What are we gonna
Let's
do?
hope for a small one then.
I want to watch and see what happens.
I'm down to do this if it means we win a small one.
What? The middle one is nice.
Go.
Just pick one. If I can. Number 3. 3.
Medium-sized one.
What?
Oh, thank you. Do you choose one? Sure. That one? Thank you. Do it.
Do you want to keep it?
Thank you.
Did you record? Wait,
I
this is
did.
exactly what size I wanted.
She rang a bell because we won something. Well, it wasn't a big one, which is good because we couldn't afford that one. Made in China.
Yeah, but like, it's the experience too, right?
Yeah, we've been pretty lucky for a lot of those things.
They're usually really shocked if you pick out one. I wonder what are like the pretty at night.
Fine.
Real ones and fake. Solo, right?
Cute. I'm pretty happy with my current fortune.
What? We're pretty lucky.
Yeah.
We get what we want so far.
We've been pretty lucky for all of them.
The gacha machine, I wanted.
It was the shoes. My feet feel much better now.
Me too. You look like you're not wrong.
And back we go. Why isn't it this crowded? It's free.
I'm telling you, this is
Oh, okay. Is that a giant rocket band? Oh no, that's a giant clump of cherry blossom trees. Duly noted, this is free. I guess it's not like a super spectacular view.
yeah, but it's still pretty.
It is pretty. You should not tell anyone about this at all. I should steal that one. That's my handle. Vivace. literally just us here. I'll pay good money if you came right to actually play the piece. Also, did an act. Sumimasen.
Famous places have steps. Tower everywhere.
My information is not very useful because if they're here already, they probably know about it. Okay. It said there was like a stamp thing for everybody. You can walk down this one.
Probably
It
not.
looks like a sperm more than a poop.
It's a cloud. It's the foam on top of beer.
I don't know. Go. Let me take a picture of you. You're a unicorn. Oh, wow. Now this is cool.